today, so I want to show you guys how to make it. I'm not a baker. This is like one of the few things I can bake, and I haven't baked them for a year. So hopefully they go okay, and we're gonna hopefully make some good cookies. Oh, Lila! Oh. You want to start by preheating your oven to 375, and this is a new oven, so I hope I'm doing this right. Start maybe? Yes! So I'm going to start by adding 2 1/4 cups of flour. This is just all-purpose flour. I want to add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, and then 2 teaspoons of baking soda or 6 teaspoons of baking powder, which is what I'm gonna do, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you just wanna whisk everything. I don't have a whisk, so you're just gonna mix everything together. You want to add 3/4 cups of butter and make sure it's soft so it's easy to mix, and then 1 cup of brown sugar. Hello, Lila. Boop. You did do tail wagging. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. So once it's all mixed, you want to add the rest of the wet ingredients. So you want to use 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup of fancy molasses, what are you looking for, Lila? And you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you want to mix all the wet ingredients together. And you want to add the dry mixture into the wet mixture. So you just want to mix the dry and the wet mixture together until it becomes like this nice deep brown color, which it will once you've mixed it. I don't have an electric mixer, but if you have one, use it because it's much easier. So I'm just going to keep mixing this until it's a dark brown color, and then we get to roll the balls. The dough should be about this dark, rich brown color. And then you want to grab a bit and you want to roll it into a ball. It should be about the size of a ping pong ball. You don't want to make them too big because they are really sweet. And then once it's in a ball, you want to just roll it in white sugar. Make sure that all of it is covered. And then you want to put it down on a parchment lined baking sheet, and you don't want to squish it. You just want to leave it as a ball. I'm going to do the rest of them, and then we'll pop them into the oven. It's already preheated, so we're almost good to go. So once you have about 15 balls on your sheet, you're going to want to put them into the oven. So the oven's already preheated at 375. And then you want to let this cook for 13 minutes, about 12 to 14. Nope. Oh. They're done. We're gonna just let these cool for a bit and put in another tray, and then We'll give you guys the review once we've tried them. By the way, a cracked cookie is a good cookie. Okay, we're just gonna give them a try.
Oh yeah, they're not bad. They're actually good.
That sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want more baking videos in the future, and I will see you tomorrow.